what if I told you that you could improve your English without even trying?
Okay, that sounds like a scam, Alex. What are you talking about?
I'm serious. I read that you can learn English while doing absolutely nothing. Washing dishes, walking, even lying in bed.
Okay, now I'm curious. Explain this to me.
So the idea is, most of us waste so much time every day doing boring stuff, commuting, cleaning, waiting in line. What if that boring time became English time?
Oh, I actually love this idea. It's kind of like turning empty space into free furniture.
Empty space into free furniture? Explain that one.
Think about it, Alex. You have all these little empty rooms in your day, moments where your hands are busy, but your brain is basically free. Walking to the store, cooking dinner, folding laundry. Right now, those rooms are just sitting empty.
Okay, I see where you're going with this.
But if you fill those empty rooms with English, a podcast playing in the background, a show on in another language, your brain slowly furnishes itself. No extra time needed. You're just using time you already have.
Okay, give me real examples. Like, what should I actually do during these moments?
My favorite one, background listening. Put on an English podcast or a simple English video while you cook, clean, or drive. You don't even need to understand everything.
Wait, really? Even if I'm not fully focused?
Yes, your brain still picks up rhythm, common phrases, and sounds, even in the background. It's like a plant slowly soaking up water. You don't see it growing every minute, but over weeks, it grows.
Oh, I like that. What else?
Second one, talk to yourself in English. Sounds silly, but hear me out.
Talk to myself? People will think I'm crazy.
Just in your head or quietly. When you're making coffee, think, okay, I'm pouring the water now. When you're getting dressed, think, I'm putting on my shoes. You're basically narrating your own life in English.
Oh, that's actually kind of fun. Like being the main character of a show.
Exactly. And it trains your brain to think in English, not just translate from your first language.
Okay, what about when I'm just lying in bed, completely relaxed, doing nothing at all?
Perfect time for passive listening. Put on a calm English podcast or even English music with lyrics right before you fall asleep. Some studies even suggest your brain keeps processing language while you're relaxing or drifting off.
Whoa, so I could technically learn English while falling asleep?
Well, don't expect magic, Alex. It's not going to replace real practice. But it adds up. Every small moment adds a tiny brick to the wall.
Okay, I love the brick idea. What about waiting in line or sitting on the bus?
Great moment for a quick English app. Or just reading signs and labels around you and translating them in your head. Exit. Do not enter. Now boarding. Simple, tiny practice, but it counts.
I never thought about using signs like that.
It's everywhere, Alex. English is hiding in your daily life already. You just have to notice it.
Okay, but here's my honest question. Doesn't passive learning feel a little lazy? Like, is it actually as good as sitting down and studying?
Good question. It's not a replacement for focused study, but it's a powerful add-on. Think of it like snacking on healthy food throughout the day. It's not a full meal, but it keeps you nourished between meals.
Oh, so the podcast episodes we do together are like the main meal, and this is the snacks.
Exactly. And here's the best part. Snacks are way easier to keep up with. People quit big study sessions all the time because they feel exhausting. But listening to a podcast while washing dishes, that barely feels like effort at all.
That's so true. I already wash dishes every day anyway.
Right. You're not adding extra time to your day. You're just upgrading time you already have. Actually, Alex, can I share a quick story? This really shows how powerful this idea is.
Please, I love your stories.
I once knew a woman named Clara. She had almost zero free time. She worked full-time and had 2 young kids. She always said, "I want to improve my English, but I have no time."
Oh, I think a lot of our listeners feel exactly like that.
Right? So instead of finding new time, she used the time she already had. She put English cooking videos on while making dinner. She listened to a simple podcast during her walk to pick up her kids from school.
So she never actually sat down and studied.
Barely, but after about 4 months, she told me she could suddenly understand so much more, and words were coming out of her mouth faster without her even realizing when it happened.
Wow, that's incredible. All from just filling in the empty spaces.
Exactly, Alex. Small moments repeated daily become huge results over time. It's like drops of water slowly filling a bucket. You don't notice each drop, but eventually the bucket is full.
I love that image. Okay, one more idea. What about labeling things around my house?
Oh, that's such a fun one. Put small sticky notes on things around your home. Mirror, door, fridge, window. Every time you glance at them throughout the day, your brain quietly absorbs the word.
So my house basically becomes a hidden classroom.
Exactly, and you didn't need to schedule a single extra minute for it.
Okay, I want to try this today. What's the easiest one to start with?
Start with background listening. Pick any simple English podcast, maybe even this one, and play it during one everyday task, cooking, cleaning, or commuting.
Just play it, even if I don't understand everything?
Yes, don't stress about understanding 100%, just let it play. Let your ears get used to the rhythm and sound of English.
Okay, I'm actually excited to try this tonight while I make dinner.
And tomorrow, try the talking to yourself trick. Just narrate small moments, even for 2 minutes.
Little English moments hidden inside my normal day. I love that.
That's the whole idea, Alex. You don't need extra time, you just need extra awareness.
Okay, everyone, today's challenge. Pick one boring moment in your day and fill it with English, background listening, self-talk, or reading signs around you.
And let us know in the comments which one you tried. We'd love to hear about it.
Subscribe for more simple English tips every single day.
See you in the next episode. Bye.